Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be doing an avocado tasting. We don't do a lot of avocado tasting, but this is kind of an unusual one that we don't get to try very often. We actually do it. This is called Pura Vida, which means pure life. It is a pretty uncommon one. We do actually have a tree, but we did not actually grow this one.
Yep, our friend Josh Starry grew it. We gave him budwood. Yeah.
So, I don't know, we get it from us. Anyway, so we're going to give this one a try. Obviously, it is longer and skinnier than most, which I don't know if it makes it easier or harder, a little harder to open, I guess. So the skin is fairly thin, but it does come off pretty easily.
Oh, that's nice. That peels. Reminds me of a day avocado.
Yeah, but it's fairly thin. Did you want some, Schultz? Now, I am historically not a big avocado fan. I grew up not liking avocados because to me it just always tasted like watery mush. It wasn't until I was down on a trip to Miami and in a lot of different people's yards tasting a lot of different kinds of fruit that I was like, finally hit one that was like, oh, that's what everybody's been talking about. It's really good. So I do really like a good avocado, and I really don't like a bad avocado. So I don't know which one this is. Well, I know it's Pura Vida. I don't know if it's good or bad.
It smells good.
That's actually very good. So the things that make an avocado good, there's butteriness and nuttiness, and lots of both of those I like, with lots of both. This is more nutty than buttery, but
it's not watery at all. I just had a store-bought big Florida green avocado from Brooks Tropicals. I don't know what variety it was, but it dripped water. I've never had one do that, and it was even with guacamole, it wasn't that good. This is
well. This one we were trying to see if it was ripe, and I was feeling ooh, that's get soft. So it was. I was like, ooh, this might be even overripe. Well, if it is overripe,
it's perfect. I think
it's very good still. So we're going to try a little bit of key lime juice. If there's any juice in this key lime.
Try it out.
And a little salt, because. All right, try it with a little extra. It's still good, but actually I like this one. This one doesn't need anything.
I think that kind of took away from the
I think it was better
flavor
before.
of it.
We got a new holding. So right without it again. Yeah, I really like the texture of that. It's again, to me, it's got more of the nutty than of that really buttery, fatty richness. But it's not. Has some of that, but it's mostly nutty to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's excellent. And again, I'm certainly not a connoisseur. So yes, there's a lot of flesh on this. The shape is kind of weird. Yeah, if you wanted to do like a fancy plate of these, you could even have full rings kind of a thing. They could put it on a cracker for a fancy dinner thing that you can't do with most avocados because they're all just a thin thing. Whereas this, you've got a whole. You could make very fancy hors d'oeuvres out of it. But no, I think that's pretty good. I can't really put a number on it because I don't eat lots of avocados. So I don't have a lot of comparison for it. But yeah, I guess if I had to, something like an 8, because like I said, I have had ones to me that were just as nutty, but just had that buttery overload to me, which is like really good. But I've certainly had plenty worse than this. So yeah, that's good.
But it's just a cool looking fruit to grow.
Yeah, and apparently it's the tree that we got this from grows down in Homestead, and apparently they used to give away budwood from it all the time, so it's out there, people have it, and then they stopped, I guess, because the person who was there working stopped doing that anyway, so it's kind of hard to find now, but it's
we have trees available.
it is still out. Yeah, we do graft this one occasionally, but you can other people do too. It's out. It exists in the world. But anyway, so yeah, that's pretty good. And I was going to show you the very odd kind of shaped seed for it, but there you go. Yeah, kind of
longer, skinnier.
I'm about to plant that. It'd be kind of interesting to see what a seedling of this would turn out like.
Let's do it.
All right. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.